Welcome to Security Roles, an Alexio short course. In this course, we'll look at how to add a security role to a user and how to create new ones that you might need. To get to the security roles section, you'll want to be in the Home section and then navigate to Common Tasks and choose Manage Security Settings. The standard security roles created by Alexio will appear on the left-hand side. If you focus in on a particular security role and then navigate through the detail to the right, you'll see where that person can go and what they can do when they get there. In this case, this particular user classification of data entry can, with the status field, add new statuses, edit existing statuses, but cannot delete. So if it shows in red, that means that person cannot do that particular task. If you want to unassign a complete column, you can certainly deselect it at the top. If you find that the security roles provided by Alexio aren't enough, you can either navigate to the Common Tasks menu and add a completely new role, which would be starting from scratch, both in what the name of the role is and what all of its security rights are. Probably more commonly, you would copy some existing role and then change what you want to be different. I've done that with this role called Data Entry Special. I copied data entry, then I now have Data Entry Special, and I just went in and made the changes that I wanted to be different. To assign a security role, you would navigate to that user's database record, and then you would simply navigate to the security role area, navigate to the drop-down, and assign a security role to them. So if I want this person to have data entry special rights, they'll now be able to do that. When you assign access to the database to a new user, an email will be sent to them explaining how to access the software. You can adjust the text of that email by returning into the Manage Security Settings area, select the Messages tab. Here you can control what messaging is sent for these 4 different user scenarios. You can use the User tab to see who exactly has a certain security role assigned. If I focus in on this particular role identified as contribution data entry, I can see 4 people who have that current security role. It's important to note that Portal and Mobile, in a sense 2 separate products, but really very obviously connected to the database, those security role settings are also controlled here in Security Roles. When people request access to either Portal or Mobile, they come in as what's called a Portal and Mobile Limited Access user with restricted view capabilities. You choose to approve them either by going directly to their record and changing their security role, or by using the Validate Smart part. You would change them to, more than likely, Portal and Mobile, which expands their view capabilities. It can be confusing that these seem to be only focused on Portal and Mobile, and so you would think maybe you need to give your data entry people somehow 2 security roles, or whoever it is, your pastors. It doesn't work like that. So if you return and look at one of these other security roles, for instance, data entry, they still have access to the Portal and the mobile app. It's just, it looks a little bit different. They have access to the database and Portal and Mobile, where a Portal and Mobile user only has access to Portal and Mobile. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching this Alexio short course on security roles.